Mr. Barr here for our PowerPoint lesson. I think it's going to be the final PowerPoint for this chapter. So we should be to this point where you got this one done, this one done, this one done, and this one we worked on. We changed this picture, moved some of this stuff around. Now what we need to do is it says to go to File, Open, go wherever you downloaded your stuff, and it says to open up the one that says Support Flu. Click Enable Editing if it asks. So basically you got two open, then go to slide 4. Then it says to go to the Insert tab and Screenshot, and then click on the available windows, click on okay, we got to do that again. So open this one up and get on slide 4 when you do that. Then go back to this one and then go to slide 1. And then it says to go to Insert, Screenshot, and then Screen Clipping, and then it should pull this open like this. And what it wants us to do is to draw a box around. Do that again until we get it right. Insert, Screen Clipping again, and just make sure you're far enough over where you get all the C and all this. This will be close enough so that shows up on the screen like that. Then what it says is kind of move this to the top right corner. Change the height to 2.3, which should automatically probably change the other one to 379. Save it again. Then with slide 1 open, like we're currently on, it says to select the sneeze picture, move it over so it fits, go back to the Insert tab, and then go down to where Link is. Insert Link so that this opens up. Place in this document should be selected. Staying well with cold and flu. And then hit OK. Got it. So now this becomes a hyperlink to the second one. Then it says, okay, we created that, but now we want to edit it. So click on this. And it says go to the 4th one instead of the 2nd one, and then hit OK. So now it'll hyperlink to the 4th slide instead of the 2nd slide. Then it says, with this still selected, go to edit link down here. Screen tip. And then it says on screen tip, put recovering advice. And then hit OK, and it should be good. Hit save again. Next step is to go to slide 2 again. And within slide 2, it says what it wants us to do is click on the green hands. Then it says to go to our insert and go to action button. Hyperlink to slide, and then it says to select slide 3, then hit OK. So that would have us hyperlink to slide 3 by clicking that button. Then it says display slide 4. And then click on this blue shape to highlight this information. Go right back to that action button again. And then hyperlink to first slide. Okay, there. So now that one will take us back to the first slide. Then it says go back to slide 2. It says to select the word cold. Go right back to our action button. And then it says hyperlink to other PowerPoint presentation. And it should be this one right here, the Cold Flu 7. Then hit OK. And then it says to set the second slide and hit OK and OK again. Then it tells us to open up that slideshow that we've been using back and forth. And it says go to slide 2. And we're going to insert a shape. And the shape we're going to insert should be at the very bottom. It's this one in the middle. And draw it down here in the corner. And it should give us a hyperlink setup. And it should go to hyperlink back to last slide viewed. Then hit, make sure that's what you wanted to do. So yeah, leave it as last slide view, then hit OK. and it says we should make this thing 0.8 by 0.8. It says to move it to the far corner. It says shape fill, we're going to change to the standard blue. Then we click on insert and action, and it says to also play a sound. And then we're going to go to the sound list, and the one they want you to choose as the suction. And then click OK. Okay, then it says with this one open, it says go to the file one, go to export, click on this one, create as this, click this, it should give you this option, and it says to change this name to SC_PPT_7_prevent_PDF. And then hit publish. And there we go. And I believe that's going to be it. So basically, let's go back through this thing. And so now if we do the show, it should open up. We can click on this to hyperlink to the next page. Or we then can click on this one to go to a page. We created that. I'm trying to go through. Click on the word cold. Takes us to this one. And this one should, I think. So that's kind of what you're doing. Good luck.